Okay, you guys, welcome to part 2. Okay, the first one is on page 504 in your text. 9g squared minus 12g plus 4. Okay, the first thing I'm going to look for, perfect square, 3 terms. So I know I'm going to have 2 binomials and my middle signs need to be negative. Okay? I have 3g and 3g. That makes 9g squared. And then I have the square root of 4 is 2. When we do the FOIL, the I and the O will both be 6g. And when 6, that will equal 12g. That's how I know it's a perfect square trinomial. And remember, another way to write this is 2g to the negative 2. Okay, we have perfect square trinomials. You actually have to know your perfect squares here, okay? And what we know about perfect square trinomials, one is positive and one is negative, because we're not going to have an O or an I. So 25 squared is 5x and 5x, and then the square root of 64 is going to be 8. So I'm going to have one that's positive and one that's negative. When you take your test this week, make sure when you're typing in that you type a positive and a negative. Okay, let's go to 3x squared minus 75. First thing you're going to have to do is pull out your GCF. So we know 3 is going to be in our answer right from the get-go, okay? Right smack from the beginning. So now I have x squared minus 25. 2 perfect squares, and it's a negative. If this was if you have this, that's done. If it's a positive here, this is done because of the positive. But if it's a negative, we have a positive and a negative, an x and 5s. Okay, hope you guys do okay on this, and I will see you for the next lesson.